Today, I'm only going to talk about how you can attract positivity. Now, you must be hearing this so many times. Be positive. There is lot of videos and advices being given to you, but let me make it very very simple for few of my patients and viewers who are really demotivated at this stage of their life. So I am going to tell you something very very simple facts of life about your mind, how positivity works. So first, when you understand that why I tell you to do affirmations and to do these therapies and techniques, then maybe you will understand the intensity of the situation and you will start doing it on your own. So you have to understand that your life doesn't create thoughts. Your thoughts create your life. So it's very very important the way you think. You have to learn to condition your mind in a way that it will make your future a very beautiful future. It can carve your life. Now, mind has immense, unbelievable capacity to get what you want. Yes, it's a very very simple truth that mind can do wonders provided you're using it the right way. You have to understand that whatever you are going to give energy to, you are going to attract that in life. That is the reason I keep repeating constantly to all of you that think positive. But today I am going to first tell you the foundation, the base, why this dialogue I am always telling to you all. This is because when you give energy to your fears, complexes, future, hatred, jealousy, criticism, never ending list, you are going to attract lot of bad experiences. Bad things are going to happen. Your immune system is going to go down. Many things are going to happen if you're constantly negative. If you are radiating positivity, on the other hand, you will start seeing miracles. Yes, wonders will happen with you. But you have to think right. All you have to do is you have to train your mind to think right. So don't worry about what others are thinking about you. Just see how satisfied you yourself are with your own self, because you exactly know that in what position you stand in your own eyes. So remember that what you are repeatedly going to think, you are going to get that in life. Never do the mistake of underestimating your thoughts. You have to understand the cognitive capacity. Mind has lot of capacity to do things that you want. You don't have to worry about whatever mistakes now you have done, but worry about the chances where you didn't even try. So today, we are all going to do is try. So how we are going to start with this? Very simple thing. All I want you to do is, first, you are going to listen to this audio clip whether you like it or you don't like it. Just put your earphones at night and start listening to it, because 90% of your brain retains more when you are sleeping. So at least something will go and register in your subconscious mind when you are repeatedly hearing the same thing. Now, second point is that you start talking to yourself in a very positive manner. That is your self-talk. Do not worry about the words you use and don't go into too much of technical things that you have been seeing on various videos and messages. You just start doing a simple talk. That is, for example, I am fearless, I'm very brave, I'm calm. Tomorrow's day is going to be, oh my God, it's going to be really wonderful. Next month on this date, I'm going to have a rocking time. My life is going to be wonderful after this second dose of my vaccination. I am not going to worry. I am not worried about this disease. I am going to make the best use of this time that I am going to have. So, like, I'm just giving you an example. This is the way you are going to do self-talk. Your mind understands any language. So you start doing self-talk. This is the most wonderful time when you feel the urge to talk to others. So instead of talking to others, I have made it very simple for you. You have to talk to your own self. You can be saying it aloud, but you have to keep talking. Even if you are feeling miserable, you have to talk to yourself in a very positive manner. You will see that miracles will happen in your life. You know what you are doing at this present situation? You are playing tug of war. Your past doesn't leave you. You are always holding grudges. You are remembering your bad experiences because you have all the time at home. Your future, what is going to happen to you, you are always worried about the future. So there is a constant tug of war between your past and your future, because of which what is happening? The end result is that you are not enjoying your present moment. So every single day you are wasting because you are nicely lying down in your bed doing nothing. Either you are thinking about your past or you are worried about your future. So now you have to understand that we have to train our mind to think positive, not tomorrow. I don't want you to wait for the right moment to accomplish. They are the biggest fools who keep waiting. Okay, I will do it tomorrow at this time. No putting alarms. Right now you are going to start it. Remember, success is not what you accomplish, what you are earning, what you are putting in your bank balance. But believe me, the real success will come in your life when you inspire others to do something in life. So you all my patients, I request you, all my viewers, that please don't consider this like an audio lesson, like a normal YouTube video. I am not aiming for that. I just want you to change right now, and you can do that by taking simple steps. Don't worry what long journey you are going to have. At least take the first step, what we call baby step, towards training your mind to think positive. So from today onwards, you start listening to this audio clip at night and train your mind only to think positive by talking to yourself. Thank you so much.